Kimaru is used when schedules, rules, or results become clear or fixed. You'll see it with meeting dates and times or winners and losers in games. ケルは予定やルール、結果がはっきりするときに使います。会議の日時や試合の勝敗などでよく出ます。It is used as an intransitive verb. In plain terms, kimaru means that something becomes fixed or settled, like a time, a rule, or a winner, often through discussion, rules, or circumstances, and sometimes it simply turns out that way by custom. 物事が話し合い、規則、状況などによって一定に定まり、はっきり確定することです。時には人や案が選ばれる意味もあります。習慣や決まりで当然そうなるという漢字もあります。The only kanji means to decide or determine. It carries the idea of setting something firmly. You see it in kimeru when you actively choose. You also see it in kette for an official decision. The date of the meeting is decided. 会議の日が決まる。会議の日が決まる。Tomorrow's schedule is already decided. 明日の予定はもう決まった。明日の予定はもう決まった。The film has not been decided yet. 映画はまだ決まらない。映画はまだ決まらない。The chairman was decided by majority vote. 多数決で委員長が決まった。多数決で委員長が決まった。The most common synonyms of the word are 定まる and 確定する。定まる is a gentle everyday to become set, while 確定する sounds more official or legal. They overlap with 決まる when something ends up fixed. The most common antonym of the word is mite, which means not decided yet. Unlike 決まる, nothing is set or confirmed.